What? Oh, yeah. Sorry, Mom. I just need to borrow the camera for a second. I'm recording that cartoon my sister watches. She's going to the baseball tournament. She can't watch and she's a little upset. So I just want to make it up to her, So yeah, I think it's starting. So be quiet for now.
Me on Scrabble.
A man has been found in pipes in New Jersey counties. Proceed, lock their doors and windows, or accept their fate. This has been a New Jersey Police Department interruption. This is not it. Board up, lower this. Board them up. 5 witnesses say the man will enter through pipes. We have...